How would you like to earn money as a teenager online? Today's video is specifically for our teenage viewers out there because we know sometimes it gets tough and we decided that it's about time to give you guys some money making websites too. We're going to be revealing 4 websites that's going to allow you to work and earn money without having any skills or experience at all. And we all know that most of the time, that's the struggle in finding a job as a teenager or a beginner. You won't even be required to talk to other people to do this job, and you easily make over $1,000 every single month while being at home. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Our first website for today is called Cambly, and to get to their website you just need to type in cambly.com and that should take you to here. This website is going to pay you to tutor the English language to other people. Now this website doesn't even need proficient English tutors. All you need to know are the basics. Can you imagine? As long as you're able to at least converse in English, which we assume that you can since you are currently watching today's video, you're pretty much perfect for this website. Most of the people that you're going to find here are foreigners who just want to improve their English a little bit, which means that most work you're probably going to have is exchanging conversations in English with these people, and that's it, you earn. You won't even need to have some type of record or any certification of the sort to enter Cambly. As long as you're a native English speaker or if you're bilingual, you're all set. Once you've applied and started working and all, your level on Cambly will increase, and in that way, so will your earnings, which is great. It's very easy to do, and there's really no harm in trying, so you really need to make sure that you try this website out. Of course, Cambly itself is very easy, and the sign-up process is just as quick and easy as the whole teaching process. Just sign up and start making money online. Note that they pay out through PayPal though, so it's best to have your PayPal ready before registering on Cambly so that there won't be any issue payment-wise, and you can get paid easily without conflict whatsoever. Another great thing about Cambly is that a lot of these people are from some places that could be morning in their time and night in our time or your time. So it's great because you can choose to work whenever, wherever, and how long you'd like. You have full control, so it's like a job that's just there for you on standby, and when you need money, it'll still be there just waiting. You can make $10 an hour, and given the fact that all you need is to talk to people, $10 an hour is more than enough. Our second website is called Try My UI, and you can find that by typing in trymyui.com, and then you should see this. Now these are for those people who don't like talking to other people, those who are more on the shy side. Now this is perfect for you because this website will basically pay you to review games, websites, and sometimes even products before they're even released. That's really all to it. They'll give you maybe a game or a website or any type of product for you to test out, and after everything you're going to have to give your most honest opinion about it so that they know what to change, what to keep, what to alter a little bit, and you'll get paid just for that. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. They pay you $10 per review, and you can easily make at least $50 every hour by doing so. So that is it for this website, so make sure that you try this out, alright? Now, our third website is called gotranscript.com, and we've talked about this before, but we wanted to bring it back in today's video because this is actually perfect also for those who are shy to talk or interact. On Go Transcript, you're going to get paid to convert speech to text. You can earn 60 cents per minute of transcription, and usually the minimum audio that Go Transcript receives or that you will be asked to transcribe is 5 minutes, and that would be an easy $3 for literally only 5 minutes of transcription, which is just insane. Because let's say that you're able to complete at least 10 5-minute transcriptions for a day. That's $30 all in a day's work, and you didn't have to leave the house or get ready or anything like that. And you can even do more than 10 transcriptions if you want to go extra. That's why this website is great. It will not require any skill from you at all. Just make sure that you can type and you can try your best to type quick, which is honestly great. So try this website out because we won't approve if you don't. Our fourth and last website is called rev.com. Yes, we've talked about this at least a million times before, but we're never going to get tired of telling you guys about it. With only one website, you can have 3 different methods of making money online. You can earn through transcribing, captioning, and if you're really crazy, you can even do the foreign subtitle job. Now, transcribing with this website, you can earn $1.25 per minute, which is clearly way more than Go Transcript, but that's why we know that this is a great opportunity for you because it pays way more. But if you want to go for captioning, which is another basic way to earn money, then you're also going to be paid $1.25 per minute as well. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. And like we said, if you want to go a little crazy and participate in the foreign subtitle job too, you can earn $3 to $7 per minute, which is just awesome. So what are you waiting for? We want you to like this video, share it, click off the video, and go straight ahead to all 4 websites that we just showed you and start earning and making at least $100 a day while still being on student mode. Now, little recap. First is Cambly.com for English tutors out there. We have Try My UI for people who want to test websites, test out games, and give their honest opinions. We have Go Transcript for those who want to just earn by subscribing. And we have Rev who wants to earn by transcribing, captioning, and doing foreign subtitles. So try this out right now. We are not gonna wait another minute because we know that you need the money, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.